Hey guys, it's already day 4 of the Yoga for Flexibility series. Hope you're enjoying it. Do subscribe and hit the thumbs up icon if you're liking these videos. Let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Today we are going to start with an all-out cardio workout for warm-up. So we'll do some jumping jacks for 1 minute. Let's start. When the focus of your practice is flexibility, it is important to warm up properly to be able to stretch those muscles. So a quick cardio exercise like spot jogging or jumping jacks is a good idea. Just 10 seconds left. And we are done. Then just rotate your neck a few times in clockwise direction. And then a few times in anti-clockwise direction. Then take your right arm up, fold it and bring it behind the left shoulder. Grab the right elbow with the left hand and pull it down. Slowly let go. Let's repeat on the other side. Pull the left elbow down with the right hand and breathe into the stretch you feel in your shoulders and triceps. Slowly let go. Now take a big step to the left. Pivot your right foot so that it points to the right. Bring your arms on either sides. Bend the right knee. Keep your right leg engaged such that your calves and thighs are at a 90-degree angle. As you take a deep breath in, bend back till your left hand reaches the left leg to come into a reverse warrior pose. As you exhale, come back to warrior. Then as you inhale, straighten the right knee and start extending forward as much as you can. As you exhale, bend to the side to come into a triangle pose. You can keep the right hand either on the calves or the ankle, whatever works for you. However, make sure that you are bent laterally so that your head, back, hips and feet are all in one plane. Then as you inhale, start bending your right knee to come into a side angle pose. Keep your front leg at a 90-degree angle and your left arm, hip and leg should all be in one straight line. Slowly come back up. Let's repeat for the other side. Point the right foot to the front and left foot to the left. Bend the left knee and come into Warrior 2 pose. Then move into Reverse Warrior as you take a deep breath in. Slowly come back. Straighten the left leg to come into a triangle pose. Then bend the left knee and come into the side angle pose. Slowly come back. Now stay in the wide-legged stance and adjust your feet so that they are parallel to each other and are pointing in front. Keep your hands on the pelvic bones. Take a deep breath in and extend your back up. Then as you exhale, start folding forward. Once your torso is parallel to the floor, drop both the hands down below the shoulders. Then start walking the hands back as in as you can comfortably go. Just hang there for some time, letting gravity take over. Then slowly walk the hands back. Bring your left hand to the center right below your head. Take the right arm up and extend it towards the ceiling. Turn your head up and gaze at the right thumb. Stay here for a breath and slowly come back. Then repeat for the other side. Swing the left arm up and gaze towards the left thumb. Slowly drop the left hand and come back up. Now let's sit down. Extend your left leg out in front and fold the right leg so that the right foot touches the left knee. As you take a deep breath in, extend your arms up. As you exhale, bend forward and grab your left foot. Now if you can't reach your foot, you can just take a scarf or a belt, loop it around the foot and grab that. Exhale and extend forward. Slowly come back. Let's repeat this one more time. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Then come back and switch legs. Again, inhale up and exhale, bend forward. Slowly come back and repeat. Inhale up, exhale, bend forward. Come back. Now finally, extend both your legs out. Place both hands on either sides. Then as you inhale, extend both hands up. As you exhale, start folding forward. Try to keep your spine extended and chest open. Exhale and try to go further into the bend. Then slowly come back. Keep your hands on either side of the hips. Taking support of your elbows, start falling back. Keep the crown of your head on the ground and arch your back. Keep breathing deeply and slowly. This is called the fish pose or Matsyasana. Slowly raise your head, taking the support of the elbows, and then lie down back into Shavasana. Take some deep relaxing breaths here and feel the effects of the practice on your body. That's all we have for today. See you tomorrow.